personal development journey that I went on really reinvigorated my passion for learning, ultimately, because I was a voracious reader growing up, and then I ditched it all. Like, I don't know what grade, very young, second or third grade or something like that. And then that just wasn't my persona for a long time. And so when I was able to be reintroduced to like business education and then personal development, it was just like a light bulb turned on for me. And I dove in head first because I was like, this is it. Because I've always had like so many unanswered questions. Like, none of our conventional shit makes any sense to me, and it never has. And so I'm just like, which is why I've always kind of bucked authority and done whatever I wanted to do, which caused me a lot of headaches and a lot of problems and getting in trouble with the law and everything else, right? I'm also a huge believer, though, that it put me in places that I was in alignment with.